Hello everyone, today I am going to show you what is spider push-up and how it performs properly. So what is spider push-up? So spider push-up is a challenging body weight exercise that combines standard push-up and elbow to knee movement. So now I will demonstrate to you how to execute it proper. So first is starting position. So in our starting position, begin with a plank. Hands and shoulder wide apart. So your uh, body form a straight line from head to heel. So next is knee to elbow. So you need, as you move your body to the ground, so bring your knee to the same side elbow, so like this. So next is alternate side. So you need to repeat it in the other side. So next is, don't forget to engage your core back straight to avoid archive back. So that's the proper form to execute a spider push-up. So now, let's do it in a 15 repetition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the target muscle of spider push-up is our chest, our tricep, our shoulder, and our core. So and also the target muscle of spider push-up is our leg from the movement of elbow to knee. So the things that should avoid while doing this exercise is uh, dropping your hips like this while doing this exercise. So you uh, don't drop your hips while doing this exercise because you can have an injury in your hips. So next is rotate rotate your rotate your shoulder excessively. So you don't need to rotate your shoulder like this because you will have an injury in your shoulder. So uh, next is lift lift your hips upward back to your like this. So those are the things that you need to avoid while doing a spider push-up. So now the benefits of spider push-up is increase our strength, enhance our flexibility, and improve our stability and increase our strength. So and also spider push-up can increase calorie burn. So and also remember that uh, it's okay that you do it slowly but it in proper. So because if you do it faster, you can have an injury. So that's all for our video and I hope that you have learned a lot about spider push-up exercise. So thank you for your watching.